The existing house was an early work of Daryl Jackson and Evan Walker, built in the early 70s. The Studley Park site perches on top of the cliff face overlooking the Yarra River and Yarra Bend Park beyond. The steeply sloping site capitalizes on the river environment and commanding panoramic view. It is especially magical in the early morning with fog over the Yarra. The client, Andrew Moulton and Darcy Holt, had moved into the house for more than a year before contacting us. From what they had told me, the house was so cold in winter and spring that they were practically living in the elements. Citing the carpet was often lifting and flapping whenever the doors to the balcony were opened. However, such is the hallmark of 70s architecture. Bringing nature indoor, they said. The existing house had a unique stepped plan responding to the north and west orientation, and the refurbishment retained much of the original circulation. The new works focused on key corners of the facade to further enhance the relationship of the inside to the outside. The balcony is the most visible part of the house, seen from the winding Yarra Boulevard below. The new profile for the balcony mimics the stepped plan of the original house, becoming a sensitive homage to the original architects. The zig-zag effect is a series of outdoor rooms. Each pocket of the balcony has a distinct corner to inhabit, as opposed to the original singular balcony experience, and established a contemporary relationship with the outdoors. A lower level is added under the existing floor and the new balcony slab, within the cliff line among the rocks. Unlike the balcony, this new guest suite is designed to be secluded and almost invisible from the boulevard below. We couldn't help but suggest an outdoor bath here, and the result is a beautiful outdoor room with privacy further filtered by Andrew and Darcy's planting and landscaping. Andrew and Darcy took on the daunting project management role during the construction while living just next door in a rental apartment overlooking the site. They were intimate with every aspect of the build and engaged directly with different trades, so the build is exactly how they wanted it to be. They've also enlisted the help of an old friend, an old-school carpenter, Roger McQueen, to painstakingly remove all the timber lining boards and eventually restore them in the hallway and joinery.